Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will be briefly having a look on the contributions of scientists in the field of microbiology. First of all, we have got Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Student, this scientist period exceeds from 1632 to 1723. I speak in words 1632 से लेकर 1723 तक इस साइंटिस्ट का लाइफ स्पैन है. Students, Antony van Leeuwenhoek is also called father of microbiology. Why he is called father of microbiology? Because he was the first person to describe living organisms using a single lens microscope. And this single lens microscope was invented by him. So we can say that he has got two achievements on his credit. Number one, construction of a single lens microscope, and number two, description of living organisms into bacteria, protozoa, red blood cells, and sperm cells. I repeat, A.V. Leeuwenhoek for the first time described bacteria, protozoa, RBCs, and sperm cells. So, father of microbiology, A.V. Leeuwenhoek laid down the foundation of microscopy and microbiology. Student number two scientist is Francisco Redi. His time period ranges from 1626 to 1697. I repeat in words 1626 से लेके 1697 तक इनका अरसा हयात है. He for the first time disproved, challenged the history of spontaneous generation. Student, before this scientist, it was believed that living organisms may arise spontaneously. But it was Francisco Redi who, for the first time, described that living organisms do not arise spontaneously. He showed the presence of maggots from fly eggs and not spontaneously. The third scientist is Louis Pasteur. His lifespan is from 1822 to 1895. I speak out in Urdu. 1822 से लेकर 1895 तक सर लुइस पास्चर का अरसा जिंदगी है. He is also called founder of microbiology or medical microbiology. Why he is called father of microbiology? He, for the first time, he also disproved the theory of spontaneous generation. Like Francisco Redi, Louis Pasteur also disproved the theory of spontaneous generation. Student, he for the first time described the process of pasteurization for disinfection and sterilization of milk. He developed vaccines for rabies, anthrax, and chicken cholera. I repeat, Louis Pasteur was the first person who developed vaccine for rabies, anthrax, and chicken cholera. Students, he proposed the germ theory of disease, according to which disease arise as a result of microbial infection. At the last, fourth scientist, we have got Robert Koch. His time period ranges from 1843 to 1910. I repeat in Urdu, रॉबर्ट कॉक्स का अरसा जिंदगी 1843 से लेकर 1910 तक है. स्टूडेंट्स, रॉबर्ट कॉक्स identified Mycobacterium tuberculosis as the causative microorganism for tuberculosis, Vibrio cholera as a causative microorganism for cholera disease, and Bacillus anthracis as a causative microorganism of anthrax. Students, he for the first time formulated the culture technique of microbiology. He grew bacteria on solid agar. Students, Robert Koch postulates, according to which presence of microorganism is necessary for the diagnosis and labeling of a disease as infectious disease. And this microorganism is responsible for the disease in every successive person. So this was very brief about contributions of four famous scientists in the field of microbiology. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.